his address this afternoon. An enjoyable one for you and also team management.
It is once again a pleasure to meet with you all seven, especially our gladiators, Fiji National Sevens teams that this time with more pleasing reasons. I must especially congratulate you for your outstanding performance in win at the recent HSBC Sevens in Singapore. This is also the fourth tournament win this season for Fiji with Hamilton, Vancouver, Hong Kong and Singapore. We now lead the overall HSBC points standing with 2 more tournaments left. As I've alluded many times before, the whole country in each Fijian rejoices with your win, and it's vice versa when the team loses. As I've already told you during the Commonwealth Games, it's also the media that give me a call on behalf of the public as the Minister of Sports. And my message to them is that don't kick someone when he is down. There's someone that the coaches and the members of the team, we must remember that they are human. They have human feelings with those characters. They have families, and the coaches too. They give him a chance, and that is what I always tell them. But until now, there's no more call from the media. I think because of the four wins that we have done. And of course, if you made mistakes along the way, you learn from, but losing a much more educational experience. Many people view losing as failure, especially the Fijian spectators. And I can see why, or of course, it's hard to view losing and the associated feeling as falling. And each and every failure simply gets you one step closer to your goal, and you have found it. If you choose to take Thomas Edison's view on failure, Edison took over 10,000 attempts before he succeeded in creating a light bulb. Imagine how different the world would be if he had stopped at the 9,999 attempts. So he made 10,000 attempts to make light bulb. So you are indeed our national heroes and a true inspiration to our Fijian youth. Your dedication, perseverance and teamwork motivated many youths to take sports seriously and provide them a chance to dream, to aspire in representing their country one day. Sports has become a career. Our sportswomen and sportsmen playing overseas have shown good example by sending remittance advice to upgrade their livelihood. For example, from information sent to me by a financial institution, Nakarau and Tuitubou both have purchased assets locally. So there is life after they finish playing sports. So that is why we have your ministry here. Ministry of Youth and Sports provided financial training, financial literacy training, and give you advices in both informal education and mobile training that we prepare you for after rugby. So you are the true ambassadors of our nation that carry our culture, values both on and off the field. Many times we heard individuals from other nations praises our voice, especially you. Your humility, humbleness and trust in God, indicators from other international teams that they are following your paths and faith in you. To an extent, the Fiji Sevens team tweeted after the conclusion of Vancouver Sevens, and I quoted, "A few years back, certain teams would refuse to train or share changing rooms with Fiji Sevens. They felt that they were above us all. Fiji is the only one team that have always treated us as family. Win or lose, they are our brothers. And this picture is a testament of that, unquote. Those words are a true testament of the respect we show to our opponents, and also a reassurance that Fiji is the way the world should be. We proved that we are humble in victory and gracious in defeat. The government, on that note, through the Minister of Youth and Sports, is once again acknowledging your efforts and hard work. The men's Sevens Rugby Team in Rio won the gold medal, and some of you are still members of that and were awarded incentives from this medal incentive funded in 2016. Team Fiji competed successfully at the 2018 Commonwealth Games in April in Gold Coast, Australia, with 1 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze. As a result of this performance, Fiji placed 23rd on the medal table out of 71 Commonwealth countries and territories. The medal incentive is an encouragement for other athletes, and also provides an opportunity for the nation to recognize the achievement of the Fijians on the world stage. The government has approved the fund for payment that won gold, silver, bronze medal respectively at the Commonwealth Games 2018. We sourced from within the Ministry of Youth and Sports to us 2017 and 2018 budget. Finally, I wish to remind the team, coach and administrator, that this is not the end of the line. We must win the coveted World Series title. There are 2 more tournaments left. Giving it to your best, train smart, listen to the advice from your coach, and take it from me, persevere, seeketh not your own, don't get easily provoked, thinketh no evil, and rejoice not in iniquity, but rejoice in the truth, beareth all things, hopeth all things, and endure all things. And most of all, have the self-belief and trust in each other. Thank you very much, and well done, Nasoqo.